Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export just the audio in your project using Filmora 13. Okay, so I think it is very simple to do this. By the way, there is a question from one of my subscribers. He is asking about exporting only the audio so that she can import it and edit in other program. Okay, so let me show you how to do that inside Filmora 13. And we mentioned that currently I'm using Filmora 13.6 and I think this is a good version. If you want to upgrade to this version, just go ahead, upgrade to this version. Okay, so for example, this is my latest project. It is a short video. And now what if I want to export just the audio? So there's voiceover here and also the music here and sound effect here. If you want to export everything, I mean all the audio, you want to click the export button right here. Okay, just click the export button. Now at the format right here, so you need to select local first. Okay, and this is the name. Yeah, okay, just select the name audio only, and you need to select a location on your computer. Okay, and the next step you want to select is the format right here. So with Filmora 13 you have two options to export the audio. First is the MP3 and second is WAV. So normally I will export to MP3, which is a compressed audio file. By the way, I think it's good enough for editing. If you want to export in WAV, you can do it also. Okay, so you want to select MP3, and then if you want to dive deeper into the setting of the audio, you want to click here at the setting menu, and now you can select the encoder. So it is MP3, and for channel you can select stereo or mono, and sample rate you can select 44,100 Hertz or 48,000. Okay, so it's up to you. And for the bitrate, I always stick with 128, which is the standard one. By the way, you can increase the bitrate right here, but I have no idea if I increase the bitrate of the audio, the quality will be improved or not, because I'm not an audio specialist. Okay, for your information, I tried to Google and this is the result. Bitrate is a term used to describe the amount of data being transferred into audio. A higher bitrate generally means better audio quality. Bitrate is going to determine audio fidelity, says producer and engineer Gus Berry. So you can try different things to know about the audio bitrate sample rate, bit depth, stuff like that on the internet. Okay, so I'm going to keep it at 128 and then we can select apply. You can also save it as a preset also. And now you want to click export. It will export the audio in just some seconds. Okay, so we want to click export. And now we can open the folder to view our audio. Just wait a second because it is opening a folder on my computer. Okay, so this is my audio. We can play it. Here are 4 things about YouTube Short nobody tell you. Number 1, YouTube Short can help you gain a lot of... Okay, so it's nice, right? Okay, here's my Filmora again. So what if I want to export just a single track in my project? We can do like this. For example, if I want to export just my voiceover track, this is a voiceover track. I can disable other track on the timeline by mute the audio here and mute the audio here and mute the audio here. So now if I export the audio, it will be this track only. Okay, so it is very simple, right? Just click the export button again, and then we can select audio 2. And this is the same, so I can just click the export button. Okay, and then I can open the folder. Now it will be only my voice. Okay, audio number 2, and double click to play. Here are 4 things about YouTube Short nobody tell you. Number 1, YouTube Short. So you see that it is only my voiceover. Okay, now what if you want to export just a portion of the audio? For example, you want to export just this section. This is the voiceover and you want to export just this section. Now you can press X on your keyboard, okay, to have a selected area on your timeline. Okay, and then you can click the export button again, and this is a portion of your audio, a part audio. Okay, and then you can click export and open it to view the audio. Okay, and this is a portion of my audio. Number 1, YouTube Short can help you gain a lot of subscribers for your YouTube channel, but the revenue Alright, so this is how to export your audio in Filmora 13. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, just let me know at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.